artist. All right, so we watched a video on how rainbows are formed, and we need sunlight and some sort of water source in order for the water source to act as a prism, and then the 7 colors of the rainbow appear. Now, you should have 7 colors. Let's go through them. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now, if I put these papers right next to each other and I have a beautiful rainbow, that's great, but it covers up my whole fame painting. And what was the purpose of painting to Mother Earth Fanfare by David Maslenka? What was the purpose of that? If we're just going to cover it up. So we're going to take these colors and we're going to make a rainbow. However, we want in that kind of rainbow order, though. What we're going to do is we're going to go one color at a time. I'm going to take red because it's the first of my rainbow, and I'm going to just cut it into pieces. Not too small of pieces, not too big. Now, I'm just kind of going back and forth. You could make these into circles, all into triangles. You could make them into, like I have some of them that are trapezoids. Now, in the video, it said rainbows are actually a full circle. So you could think about making a full circle rainbow. And it talked about how everybody doesn't see the same rainbow because of where we are located. It's slightly different due to the raindrops or the prisms that the light is shining through. So you can think about how you want your rainbow. Your rainbow colors can have spaces in between. You can overlap your pieces. You can make your arches large. You could make an arch small. That is up to you as the artist, how you want to create your rainbow on your Mother Earth. All right? What I want to make sure you do, though, is if you are doing an arch, think about all the colors you have to put underneath. Try not to make your arch super, super small because you won't get a whole lot of pieces. You could build it around your earth. Like I said, you could have it going off your page. When you figure out how you want it, you are going to start to glue it. Okay, I glued my red down. This is how I'm going to, as soon as you're done with red. You might have some extra pieces, and that is okay. Just we're going to put those off to the side because when we're finished creating our rainbow, we might want to take a second look and look at our presentation and decide if we want to overlap some areas or continue somewhere else. So when you're done with one color, you're going to start another. Again, you do not have to do all the same kind of shape. Each row could be a little different, but you want to think about just cutting up your different pieces or your different colors into different shapes maybe and different ways, having some fun. Don't make your pieces too small. Don't make your pieces too small. All right, I'm going to work on orange. On to yellow. How's your rainbow coming? I'm going to work on the rest of mine and we'll see it in a little bit. Bye. Here's my rainbow. Now, as you can see, I did it with different shapes. You don't have to do this at all. It can be anything from really thick to really thin. You can have your rainbow all lumped together. You could have your rainbow all spread apart. That is up to you as the artist. I cannot wait to see what your finished rainbow on the world looks like.